Welcome to Jiutu Technology. We are located in Shaojing Street, Baoan District, Shenzhen.
Shenzhen Jiutu Technology Corporation Limited was established in 2013. We specialize in the development, research, design, and production of various OCA machines. With 11 years of experience and a professional international sales team, we have sold more than 5,000 mobile phone repair companies and shops around the world, with a monthly repurchase rate up to 80%. We have experience in handling cases with large companies like Apple, Nokia, Qualcomm, iFix, iRepair, and CPR. Our technical support and after-sales service are reliable. Jiutu has now become an international brand. We have obtained brand certification in China, the United States, and Europe. Jiutu is realizing the development strategy of one team, one goal, one dream. From supply chain management, feed control, warehouse management, production to finished product delivery, quality control standards and quality inspection specifications have been established for each link. The production line is highly automated and has a comprehensive quality management and ERP system. We achieve the best price, reliable quality, and faster delivery. Jiutu has a highly skilled and well-educated sales and service team, serving Greater China and more than 40 countries and regions around the world. Serving foreign customers, we strive to meet and exceed customer needs more efficiently and comprehensively.
Welcome to our factory.